Most RSS feeds dump everything into your reader, whether you care about it or not. Let me show you how to filter any feed down to exactly the topics you care about. Start with your RSS feed. I'll use this sports one I found through RSS Finder here. Copy the feed URL. Then open RSS.app and paste it into RSS Generator. Click Generate. You'll get two options: the native view, formatted just like the original feed, or the RSS app alternative view, which adds images and a cleaner layout. Pick whichever you prefer, then save it. Now go to the Filters tab. This is where the actual filtering happens. There are two filter types: Whitelist, which only shows posts matching your keyword, and Blacklist, which hides posts matching your keyword. Let's start with Whitelist. Say I only want World Cup coverage. I'll type World Cup into the whitelist. Now the feed only shows posts like the World Cup final preview. Everything else drops out automatically. But the filtered out posts aren't deleted forever. You'll still see them in the Filters tab, just grayed out, so you can double-check your filters aren't hiding something you actually wanted. Want to follow more than one topic? Type another keyword, like MLB. Now you'll see posts about either the World Cup or MLB. If you want something more specific, posts that mention two things together, not just either one, open the three-dot menu and turn on AND conditions. Once it's enabled, you'll see an AND option when adding your next keyword. Select it before typing in the second keyword. Now, World Cup and Final together only pulls posts about the actual final, not every World Cup story. And if you want your keyword to catch partial matches, so Champ also catches Champion and Championship, toggle on Partial Match. Turn it off if you only want exact matches. Now let's look at Blacklist. I'll clear out the whitelist keywords I just set up so we're starting clean. Blacklist works the same way as Whitelist, just in reverse. Instead of only showing matches, it hides them. Say I don't follow golf. I'll add Open Championship to the Blacklist. Same rules apply here too, plus add for either keyword, and conditions for both together, and partial match for partial word matches. Now instead of a raw feed with everything mixed in, you've got a feed built around exactly what you want to read. You don't need to use Whitelist and Blacklist together. It really depends on what you're trying to do. If you know exactly what topics you want, Whitelist alone is usually enough. If you're mostly happy with the feed as is, and just want to cut out a few topics, Blacklist alone does the job. Keyword filters aren't the only option in the Filters tab. A few more worth trying. You can auto-hide posts that are missing an image or a date, or older than a set number of hours or days, handy for keeping a feed fresh and consistent. Advanced rules let you modify the posts themselves. You can prepend text to every title, redirect links to another URL, replace images, and more. Worth exploring once you've got your keyword filters dialed in. That's how you build a feed around your interests instead of the publishers. Try it yourself with RSS.app.